Welcome to Khetz tutorials, and in this video I'll be doing question 43 from 1.3 exercises in J-Stewart calculus. So f of x, big F of x is given as this, and we need to split them into f and g. So in other words, we have to find what f of x is as well as what g of x is. So g was substituted into f. This is what this means, not the other way around. So f is the wrapping function, or it's the bigger function outside where you're substituting something into. So now, as you can see, we have a power of 4. That should tell you that you initially had x to the power of 4, because when you substitute a function g into f, you're just going to replace the x that you see with the function. So this is what you initially had, and the function would be what's inside, and our g would just be 2x plus x squared. Now, if you look at this, if you're asked to find f of g, you'd now substitute 2x plus x squared where you see an x in f. That is why it is like this. So if you were to express this in this form, it'll essentially be as follows. You have f of g, and this is f of 2x plus x squared, which is equal to what we have over here. It's x plus this to the power 4. So we're able to identify each of the functions, and we express them in this form. F of g is f of this, which is the function which you're given in the question.